Here we have a Reichmann ski tuning machine. We got it hooked up to 230 volt, 3-phase power. We're gonna turn it on, and the first thing we're gonna show you is the water pump and the water system. So we switched it off. That was the water hose, and now we're switching it off to the water feed inside the machine. You see it goes down into a pan down there, which recirculates the water into the grinding machine. Next thing we'll do is the compressor. We'll show you the sander. So we have the sander on here. The adjustment for that, or the controls for that, is right in this box. And with those arrows, you can adjust it faster or slower.